Getting stuck in limp mode with an engine that refuses to accelerate is a frustrating experience, especially when it is caused by a P2101 trouble code. This code points to a range or performance issue with your throttle actuator control motor circuit, which is the electric motor that opens and closes your throttle blade. This system is found on almost all modern vehicles and is controlled by the powertrain control module based on inputs from your gas pedal and various engine sensors. When this motor fails to move the throttle blade to the position the computer expects, it will often lock your engine into a fixed idle speed between 1,000 and 1,200 revolutions per minute to prevent any dangerous runaway acceleration. You will see the check engine light on, and you will find yourself unable to rev the engine or drive at normal highway speeds. While this is often an electrical issue, it can also be caused by a throttle blade that is physically stuck due to carbon buildup or mechanical failure inside the housing. Start by checking for any manufacturer technical service bulletins, because many vehicles have known issues with throttle body sensors that can be fixed with a simple part update. Once you find the throttle actuator, which is usually mounted right on the intake manifold, check the wiring harness for any signs of chafing or bare wires. Unplug the connector and inspect the metal terminals for any green tint from corrosion or dark spots from burning. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner and apply a bit of dielectric grease to ensure a solid connection. If the wiring looks good, you can use a digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance of the actuator motor itself. If the motor is open or shorted, you will need to replace the entire throttle body assembly. You can also use a scan tool to manually command the throttle to open and see if the motor responds. If everything seems fine mechanically but the code remains, you might have an issue with the power supply relay, or in very rare cases the powertrain control module itself. Since this involves precise computer calibration, it is often best to have a professional handle the final installation and programming to ensure your idle stays smooth and your throttle response remains sharp.